bacon weave. It's easier than it looks, and it only takes a few minutes to assemble. Just lay the bacon down in parallel rows, then fold back the end of every other strip. Lay a new strip down across the rows to start the first weave. Unfold the ends over that new strip, then fold over the opposing set of strips for the next cross piece. Repeat until you have the full weave ready. Flattening it out with a rolling pin and some plastic wrap will help it stay together a little better. Then set it aside. Take your boneless pork loin and slice it open in a zigzag cut to fold out one layer at a time until it looks like a flat sheet. I've combined some apricot preserves, Dijon mustard, and fresh thyme for the filling. The recipe for this is on the KalamazooGourmet.com website. Season the whole thing liberally with kosher salt. Then spread the filling over the top and roll up the roast. Wrap the bacon weave tightly around the pork loin and then tie it in about 6 places with butcher's string to hold it all together. You can rub any of the filling that may be left behind onto the outside.